Hi everyone, and welcome to the UKG Ready Workforce Management Spotlight video for our April release. My name is Amanda Boyle and I'm a Customer Marketing Specialist here at UKG. Today I'll be diving into several enhancements from our upcoming April release. Before we jump into the highlights, I want to take a quick look at our April release calendar. Here, you can find key dates release readiness content will be available and when the release will happen to your pod. Our first enhancement is around manager replacement functionality. We've made several enhancements during the past couple of releases to this functionality and are finishing up this release. The manager replacement functionality will now be able to move all outstanding to-do items to a new manager, including HR actions, employee information, and employee profile. Prior to this release, the manager replacement functionality would not allow existing to-do items to be moved to a new manager. Next up, we have several enhancements surrounding web punch functionality. As the workforce grows more mobile, organizations are looking for ways to continue to improve the employee experience and productivity of their employees. Organizations can now configure web punch buttons to collect and/or require document attachments. Managers can now review these documents and pictures from job sites when an employee arrives or to show that a job is finished. Mobile offline punching will now collect location and be validated against geofencing. Managers can now effectively verify that punches are done in correct locations, even when a punch is done offline. And finally, extra buttons and custom labels are now available on the mobile quick punch screen to match the web clock functionality. Moving on, we have two time off feature enhancements. The first is we've added the ability for users to quickly request time off from the following two places: the accruals balance widget and employee quick links. The second is we recently introduced a new time off icon to help users differentiate between different types of time off. This release, we are extending the use of that icon in the following two places: the time off request calendar and the time off request roster. Our final workforce management enhancement is around Scheduler. We've added a schedule optimizations widget to the schedule settings. This will allow organizations to prioritize the weight of cost, preferences, seniority, and skill level during shift auto assignment. And so that brings us to the end. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.